Hey everyone, welcome to the Imagination Station's 19th annual Hands-On Transportation event. My name is Riley and I'm going to show you some pretty cool things in this year's Hands-On Transportation. This short video is going to show you how to get the most out of this year's virtual event. Some of the features are a little weird, so this short tutorial video should definitely help you. From the Hands-On Transportation website, you can select a variety of virtual exhibits to explore. Each exhibitor has one or more 360-degree tours that allow you to sit in and explore a ton of different vehicles. To make the sound work on these tours, you will first need to turn it on in your web browser. You can do this by clicking this shape, called a gear, in the upper right-hand part of the viewing frame. A window will pop up that says Turn Narration On. Though some of our 360-degree images do not have someone talking to you, they do include some sound, and you'll need to turn on narration in order to activate these sounds. Once narration is on, the sounds that are available in each scene of that tour will be on. You can find the sounds by clicking the circle icon in the image. Not every icon has sound, but the ones that do are really fun.
Another thing to note about our Google-driven 360-degree tours is that for some computers or tablets, the tour may work better if you click on the polygon shape in the upper left-hand corner. This opens a new window and takes you to the Google Poly website. You will need to close this window to get back to the Hands-On Transportation event page.
You can go from scene to scene by clicking down here. Most tours have 2 or more scenes, so make sure that you see all of them. Back at the Hands-On Transportation event exhibitors page, you will find other ways to learn about the vehicles and exhibitors. This includes some short videos, interviews, and some web pages for further reading. Click on the Hands-On Transportation logos to go back to the event's main page. We hope you enjoyed this year's Hands-On Transportation, made possible and free to the public by these great sponsors. With special thanks to the Platinum sponsors, the City of Lafayette, Caterpillar, and the law firm of Stewart & Brannigan. Thank you!